Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are back with a very quick throw on and go wig, you guys. This wig is from Soulladywigs and it is their curly bob wig. When I mean to tell you, all you have to do is take it out the box, shake her out and throw her on. Literally, that's exactly what I mean. This wig is so fun and it's so cute. So as always, I'm just going to give you guys a very quick unboxing and show you guys everything that comes along with the unit. I will have all the specific information listed in the description box down below, but this is a curly bob wig. I really do love the curl pattern. Now this wig in particularly, it does not come with any lace, so this wig is completely closed off at the top. However, I don't think that it makes it too obvious, which is good. The inside of the wig has the combs for security and of course that elastic band for a nice glueless wig install. So all you have to do is throw her on. I almost said put some makeup on the lace, but we don't have any lace to work with today. So all you have to do is throw her on, and throughout this tutorial you guys are just going to see me like playing with it, stretching the curls out. I did add a little bit of water, but I did not need to add any product to the hair because look how defined those curls are. Now if I was to add water and brush it out and add product, I'm literally just doing extra work at that point because this wig did not need that. So the water was to just tame down any frizziness that I saw and to also just stretch out some of the curls because I didn't really want all of the curls too tight. You really just want to make this wig mold to your face, and if you want it to be even thicker you can do that, but I'll show you guys exactly how I did that at the end. So for the next couple of minutes, you guys are just going to see me like trying to fill the wig out and mold it to my face, kind of really get it to where I'm happy with it. So this is kind of like a wig where it's like, even though it comes ready for you to just throw on and leave your house, you can still do some customization to this if you prefer to, because we all like to have the curls look a certain way when it's on us. You know, everybody's face is different, everybody's frame of their face is different. So I was really just trying to fill the wig out and get it to exactly where I wanted to get it. But I really do love the curl pattern. The curls were so nice. It was so soft and it was so bouncy. The wig was extremely comfortable and I did not have any tangling or shedding, thank God, because that's the last thing that you would want to have when it comes to a curly unit. And again, even though that this wig did not have any lace, I did not feel like it made it too obvious. It still looks pretty natural. It's just a really curly wig, that's all. So again, you guys are just gonna watch me just fill it out, customize it a little bit, but I am going to pick the wig out a little bit, so when I start doing that, I'll come back. Okay, so after letting the wig dry from some water, I am just picking the hair out. Now, this is something where it's completely preference based as well. You're going to pick the hair out to wherever you're comfortable with. I like my hair to look full, but I don't like it to look full to the point where it looks frizzy and it's just too much, because hello, it's still summertime and it's still humid, but I like her to look full, especially in certain areas. So I was just really trying to create a look that I would normally rock if I was to have my natural hair out. So yeah, that's all you have to do, honestly. And if you decide that you want to add product or anything like that, you can, but I'm sure you guys can tell that I did not have to do that. Also, I'm pretty sure you guys can see how the hair is getting bigger as I, continue to fluff it out with the pick. So again, completely up to you as to how far you want to go with that. Now guess what, you guys, I am completely finished. I'm done. That's all that you have to do. Literally take her out the box, shake her out, throw it on your head, and customize it to your preference. I really did enjoy how quick and how easy it was to install this wig today, honestly, and I really feel like it's really cute for the summertime, and I love how fluffy and how bouncy she is. I feel like that's one of my favorite things about this unit, and the fact that it is 100% glueless and just fun and cute. As always, I will have all the information listed at the very top of the description box, so make sure you guys check it out. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and shout out to Soulladywigs. You guys have done it again with this beautiful curly bob.